Hey, it's Lena and welcome to my first episode of my new video series where I'm going to be recreating outfits inspired by my favorite movies. I'm really excited. I've been thinking about this for a long time now, like trying to come up with different movies I want to do. And this month we are going to be focusing all on Halloween fall vibes movies. So I'm really excited. Yeah. This is the first episode and the first movie that we are going to be recreating outfits for is The Craft. If you guys haven't seen The Craft, The Craft is about a group of Catholic school weirdos and they all practice witchcraft. I'm not really good at a synopsis, so if you haven't seen The Craft, definitely watch it. It's a great film to watch, especially this time of year. There is a reboot slash sequel to The Craft, and I can't make this video without mentioning it. I'm definitely not gonna watch the movie when it comes out just because of this single line at the end of the trailer.
Our weirdos out here.
We are the weirdos, mister.
Yeah, that solidified it for me. I'm not watching that movie. The first thing that we're gonna do, obviously, is we're gonna watch The freaking Craft. And I believe it's on Amazon Prime. Oops, never mind, it's not on there. So we're gonna watch it on the illegal channel. Yay. We're about to watch it. I have my laptop right here, and let's freaking watch this movie. Did any of you guys ever do the Lies Feather Stiff as a Board in sleepovers when you were a kid? Because I can vividly remember me and my cousins used to do that. That was like a thing that we used to do when we had sleepovers. Okay, I forgot to mention one important little thing about this whole series is that I'm going to be listing these outfits on Depop. Keep on watching the video in case you guys like any of these outfits I'm putting together, because I'm going to most likely be putting them on Depop. Okay, I have to recreate this scene because they shot this literally in my city, like downtown. I go there every freaking day, it feels like. So I'm definitely gonna recreate this scene wearing one of those outfits. And yeah, this is like an iconic apartment building on Ocean Boulevard here in Long Beach. And yeah, I watched the movie and I really want to focus on the schoolgirl witchcraft vibe. Because they have their cute casual outfits as well in the movie, but I feel like this is kind of on trend right now, so I'm going to be majority focusing on that type of stuff. And then if I find cute pieces along the way that kind of are reminiscent of like their outside of school clothes, then I'm going to be picking up pieces like that too. So I went to 2 thrift stores. I went to St. Vincent de Paul and then I also went to Goodwill. First thing I already am trying on right now is this. It is just this pinstriped pencil skirt. So I also got this cardigan, which I'm going to crop. It's just nice and ribbed and kind of worn in. And then the buttons are just this cool like seashell. This is my last find from Goodwill, and I was thinking that I probably was gonna have to take it in a little bit, but it fits pretty perfectly. So that's this one. I'm just trying to be like a hot witch. This is the last thing I found today, and it is basically like this kilt. It's pretty thick. What I'm thinking about this one is obviously making it a mini skirt. I wanna make it like a short little pleated skirt. finally on the final step, and that is creating all of the outfits. I have all the pieces hanging up right here in my closet on my rack. I just wanted to clarify really quickly that these outfits I'm putting together are inspired by the movie, obviously, but these are outfits that I would say are more wearable than just, you know, making a whole little costume, because these are not costume outfits. I just really want to do outfits that are inspired by the movie and that you can wear, you know. So these are them. If you guys want a real like Halloween craft look, here is me, I believe 2013 Halloween, when I dressed up like the craft for Halloween. So there's that. Okay, so for the first look that I want to do, we're gonna do a skirt. This is how it came out. I got some tights. Here we have, they better be sheer, black tights. Okay, black tights. All right, so I've been really wanting like a mesh black long sleeve, and here's like a little hack that I found. It's literally tights, okay, and then where the crotch part is right here, you're gonna cut that. So this is the tights now. They look way better as a top, honestly. I'm going to add a rosary. Major craft vibes. And I'm borrowing my friend's Sweetest Lemons docks. So yeah, I'm gonna add these docks and the black bag, and then I'll do the reveal right now. The next one, let's try this very rebelde-esque dress. This is real like goth schoolgirl. So naughty, oh my god. I did was wear my grandma's old tank top, my midi dress that I thrifted from Goodwill, again docks, and this bag that I just thrifted at an antique store, and it is very beautiful. It is just a shoulder bag with the Aztec calendar and then roses in the back. This outfit was inspired by the girls outside of school looks when they're just hanging out and doing all their witchy shit. This was my witchy outfit. So for this dress, I didn't do anything to it. I felt like it fit me pretty well. Kind of. I don't really know how I feel about it now. I wanted to pair this with cardigan tied around the waist. This look I feel like would be a perfect school look for the girls. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys took something from it. If anything, maybe you guys learned how to make this shirt. I'm really happy with how the outfits came out at the end. And remember that majority of these pieces are going to be on my Depop, which will be in the description. Comment your favorite outfit and also comment what movie you guys would like to see next. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Peace. Be good witches, y'all. I hope you guys have a very fun and safe October fall witchy season.